So today we're going to be making Zeppole shells, right, Tad? Zeppole shells? Mm-hmm. People know what Zeppole shells are, right? Cream puffs. Cream puffs. So this recipe here has been with Teresa and I since we met. How old were we when we met? Like 6? 6 months? I don't know. It feels like we've been together for a million years. We probably have been together for a million years. Anyway, we've had this recipe from when we met in Woodbridge when we used to work together at the bakery. And it stood with us for over 30 years. So believe me when I tell you, this recipe here is good for Zeppole, cream puffs, even eclairs. I use this for eclairs, Tad. Do you know that? They're fabulous. So we're going to do this recipe. It's quick and easy. Now, I'm going to show you. Hopefully Teresa can come closer. I know you're standing on a chair or something. I don't know what you're doing. So you're going to get exactly what we need here. You're going to need 250 mils of milk. Now, 2% please, if you don't mind. Okay? You need 250 mils of vegetable oil. Now, the trick is, you say, oh, why are you putting vegetable oil for it, right, buddy? I'll tell you why. We had to make the Zeppole look as if it was fried. Capiche? So, because we don't have a fryer. Most Zeppoles in Italy are deep fried. Actually, we probably did deep fry when we first started years ago. But we don't have a fryer today. We had to adapt, hence the oil. It's going to give it that appearance like it's fried. Make sense, Tad? Mm-hmm. Fried like I feel right now because I've been working all night. So look, oil, 250 mils. Now, I already put the water in the pot. Same, 250 mil. This is all the same. 250, 250, 250. You're going to put this all in the pot. You want me to show you what else you need, or you want to just... Yeah? Okay. You're going to need... I use jumbo eggs at work, so it's usually 6 extra large eggs, right? Since Teresa bought me like these puny ones, what are these, baby?
They're large.
Large. I asked for extra large, she brought... I love her the same, believe me. So I put 8, okay? So it's to add a few more, and you'll be able to adapt. Once you learn the recipe on your own, you'll see, and you'll feel it. Feel the passion as we do it. You're gonna need almost dropped it. You're gonna need a half a teaspoon of salt, okay?
No.
No?
No.
Quarter teaspoon.
We cut
Quarter teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of salt. And the flour, I'm gonna say 250 grams. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got you on that one. So 250 grams of flour, the eggs, the salt, and I'm gonna show you how to put it all together. So can we start? Mm-hmm. All right, so you got the water, you put the oil, okay? I mean, there's no order of operation. You can put the milk, the water, who cares? Just stick it all in here, okay? That's it. Now we're gonna put this to boil. Now, since it's not too much in there, it's gonna boil pretty quickly. So you gotta be ready. So I'm gonna put it on the pot. I'm gonna put it on now to start boiling. How's that? Can I tell people we have the oven already preheated?
Yes.
Because it's gonna be quick. So the oven is preheated 390. Does that make sense, Tad? Mm-hmm. Okay, so the salt goes in here, okay? Now, this so then I don't scratch Teresa's pan or pot. I'm gonna keep it here. It's already getting nice and hot. Oh, it would be good if we had a light on, Tad. So the flour, when this boils, I'm gonna throw the flour in there, mix it up. Then I'm gonna put it in, now I can show you. A mixing bowl, that's what else you need. And you're gonna need a paddle, okay? Makes sense, Tad? Paddle, mixing bowl. So once that boils, throw the flour in there, stir it. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so you need a wooden spoon. I don't know why I had that plastic whisk. So it starts boiling. Make sure it comes to a nice boil. It's pretty good, eh, Tad? Mm-hmm. I would say it's boiling nicely. Now I'm gonna add my flour with the salt in, and now I stir. Stir with my wooden spoon. I can shut the heat off now. Make sure it's all mixed in nicely.
It's hot all night.
Let it cook up. I want it hot. It's not burning. As long as you keep stirring, you're good. See how now I gotta get over there. All right. Now I'm gonna shove it in here. You have to excuse me. Okay. We're gonna put it here. Right, Tad?
That handle a little bit. Yeah.
It's not like the bakery, baby. Okay, so you go slow. That makes sense? You're gonna put one egg at a time. That way you don't have a bloody mess. And it can't take forever because we can't let this thing cool off. Gavish? Cool off? Bad. We want it nice and hot. One egg at a time. Very exciting, eh, baby? One egg at a time. Yeah. See, baking for me is exciting. You don't understand. You have to feel the passion for this. All right, so now, come on, eggs. We got the eggs in there. Pretty good. Now you can go high speed. As fast as it goes. Look how beautiful that looks. Now I don't really know I never really timed it at work. Usually it's like at least 2-3 minutes. Let's say 3 minutes. Maybe. Keep an eye. It already looks good, I'll be honest. It looks great. Yeah, baby, it needs more air. So I think we're gonna let it mix for another minute, and we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna put it in our piping bag and pipe it. Look how beautiful that looks. If it looks like that, then you're good. Are you proud of me, baby? You gonna give me a kiss? Oh, by the way, we're doing this for Mother's Day. So we're gonna make some zeppole, right? We're gonna pipe the cream that we made, and we're gonna deliver it to all our mothers. Is that off? Okay. This is not my regular, as you can probably tell. This is Teresa's mixer. All right, so now, scraper. Where's our scraper?
That was your job.
Scraper? No? No scraper. All right.
It's in the drawer.
Okay, so you knew where it was. So, Teresa, we got pans ready. By the way, get your pans ready with some silicone paper. There it is.
Parchment paper.
What did I say?
Silicone.
At work, we have, oh yeah, it's parchment paper. You're right. Oh, Teresa, look how beautiful this is. That's perfect. This is the worst scraper money can buy. It's hard plastic. It doesn't get into, look at this. Where did you find this junk? All right. Get some in your piping bag. You get the air out like this. Look at that, Ta. Now watch the master work. You go in a circle. How big you want these things?
Not too big.
Wow, Ta. You feel it. Oh my God, they feel so nice.
That looks good.
It looks good, baby. These are gonna be the best zeppole you've ever made. Now you can make any shape, speak English, dude. Any shapes you want. I'm trying to make sure they each have some space. How do you think? What do you think?
Looks good.
Yeah? In the top. Next. Another pan. Right here, baby. How does it feel?
Make them a bit smaller.
Smaller?
Kind of big for people, yeah.
Like that? How does it feel to be married to a professional?
I don't know. How does it feel? Hello.
Ah, that's pretty good. You are a professional. That's right.
In everything.
Yes, I have to admit, whenever you say something from now on, I don't know why we turned 2 ovens on because we only need 1 right now. We're gonna. Don't mind my scraping techniques. This thing is hard plastic and it's not bending. Trying to make it fast. Ta, these are gonna be the best zeppoles you ever had in your life.
Make a couple cream puffs just to show them how to do it.
Okay. Can I use the other? I'll have.
Do the middle.
Yeah, but they're not gonna bake the same.
Oh.
All right. So here's the first zeppole we made. and they're beautiful. Okay, there's the cream puffs. Here's the little zeppoles. Now, if you wanted to make the hole a little bigger, you can. These are perfect. These are little zeppoles. These are the larger zeppole. Okay, you see it? You notice? There you go. You happy with that, baby?
Show the bottom.
There you go. Okay, so this is, I can't believe it's snowing outside again. Okay, so this is how we fix it up, the zeppole. You get a saw knife or serrated knife, whatever it's called. You get the zeppole from the top and you're gonna cut right through it. Not your fingers, okay? Now, Teresa keeps reminding me, these are typically made with amarena cherries. Now, since we're inside and we have no access to amarena cherry or the cherry juice, we're not going to be doing amarena cherry. That's a typical zeppole. You put the amarena juice, some amarena cherries, and then the cream. But today we got something just as good for Mother's Day, strawberries, okay? And plum jam if you want, and Nutella, and some strawberries to go on top for decoration. So it's up to your imagination, okay? So now we're gonna get our cream bag. Cream bag? Is that the proper pastry bag? Cream bag. See, baby silly things make me laugh.
Lots of things make you laugh.
Thanks, baby. You know, I had dreams of being a comedian when you first met me. You know that? I thought I was gonna be the next SNL guy, you know?
You didn't put the tip?
Where's the tip?
It's right there. I left it for you.
Okay, so there's no tip. Okay, so with the serrated knife, we're gonna do this part 2. This is our second take. It's very easy. You cut your zeppole in half. Look how beautiful that looks. You put your cream, very easy. Look at that. Now you can put as much as you want, as little as you want. Are you happy with the amount? Mm-hmm. You put your strawberries, right? You want more? Here, more strawberries. You put your zeppole on top, like that. Now we usually decorate it with 2, one there, one there. You put a strawberry, you put a strawberry here and a strawberry there, and there you go.
You want some icing sugar?
Yes, well you have it a mile away. Okay, so the way we top it off usually is with a little bit of powdered sugar. You get your powdered sugar. There's your zeppole. Huh? What do you think of that, Tad?
That's good.
Now, if you want to do a cream puff, so here's your cream puff, right? Usually we go through the bottom, okay? Now, if you don't want to make a bloody mess, you can use, this is how we do it. We train the kids at the bakery. So you get your wooden spoon at the bottom, boop, there's your hole. It's so easy. Then you get your cream bag. Usually you use a smaller tip when you do stuff like this. Usually you do a smaller tip when you do stuff like this, but this is the only tip we have. You put it in, you have your hand here, you squeeze, you feel it. Get it full of cream, get it full of cream, get it full of cream, boom. You put it on your paper cup if you had one, but we don't.
We do.
We did?
Yeah, I'll get them.
Now, you have an option of just put icing sugar on it, and there's your cream puff. You see how delicious it is? Now, if you're going to do a chocolate one, melt some Nutella or some chocolate merkins in a double boiler, and then you would dip the top of your cream puff in the chocolate and put it down. You can do vanilla filled and chocolate dipped, or chocolate filled and chocolate dipped. It's up to you. Now, the rest is up to you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Do the recipe, have some fun with it, and let us know how yours comes out in the comments below.